Now I'm going to quickly show you how to create the same engagement ads, but for Messenger conversations. And here you will be able to use not only videos and also turn it into cold ads or into retargeting ads. It doesn't matter. There will be only the settings in the targeted audience. And those ads will ask people to DM you, not comment, but DM you, and there will be the button, send message button, that will take people exactly into your chatbot, right into your chatbot, not into the comments, but into the chatbot directly. Okay, so we click campaign, but again, that campaign, if you're running it to cold people, that will cost you from 20 to endless to even 100, and I've seen $120 per 1,000 views. This is much more expensive campaign, click to message ad, and I prefer using it for retargeting my audience, for those warm audiences that I've collected with those who watched my video. I will show you how to create it in the next video. But if you want to run it for cold people too, those who have never seen you before, that will cost you from $20 per 1,000 views. $20 is if you are targeting broad audience. You don't have interest at all, and Facebook is selecting those people, is watching for those people for you. But if you select those interests like I've shown you in the previous video, that will cost you from $35 per 1,000 views. So this is for $5, you will be able to reach only 200 people or even less. So video views are the cheapest ones, and I run them for cold audience to show me and myself and my video to broadest audience. And then I retarget them with this click to message campaign. Then it's also not very cheap, but I show them only to those people who already know me and want to interact with my chatbot and with my offer. Okay, this is how I do that. So we need to also click create. Also select engagement campaign, same engagement. See, we've got here Messenger, Instagram, video views, post engagement, conversions, and calls. Okay, so engagement, click continue. And now we also select manual engagement campaign and click continue. Here we do the same thing, exactly the same thing as we did for video views. Click to message cold. That's also target cold audience. Okay, so we go next, everything unchecked, we don't do anything, and click next. And then we need to name our ad set cold. Okay, let's do the same audience, Amy Porterfield. Okay, but we need to do this, not video, but DMs. Okay. Okay, here we select messaging apps. This is what we want them. Click to message. Here we want our Facebook page that is connected to our Instagram, and we uncheck Facebook because we want them to go only to our Instagram. But if you have a funnel chatbot in your messenger too, you can duplicate your Instagram bot for messenger too, set up the same keyword, and then select messenger, and you can show your ad both in for Facebook and Instagram, and attract people into your chatbot, into messenger bot, and into the DM bot, Instagram bot. But I do it only for my Instagram. Okay, then we going down, down. I also select $5 per one ad set per one ad. Here, the ad may be not only the video, it can be the video, but we don't select those views here. This it can be the video, the carousel, or just a single post, single picture with your ad, with your offer. Okay, plus copy. And here we will go down. We don't select the end of the campaign. If the campaign doesn't perform well, you just turn it off in your ads manager. That's it. I don't select the end date because if it performs perfectly well, I don't touch it. The main rule in ads is if it works, don't touch it. Okay, because you set up the ads, no guarantees, no nothing at all. Okay, and you just test and see how it works because you want to get more impressions, want to get more conversations, you want to get more leads for your money. Okay, and you are testing. That depends on the offer you have in your ad, your copy, and your ad creative, how captivating it is, how it draws people attention, how it stops the scroll. So it all depends. This is why you need to test and see which ad gives you better results, and then either duplicate it so that it performs better and better in different ad sets and turn off those that don't give you good results for your money, or just test other copies, other creatives, and see which one gives you the lower cost per message. Okay, and now we go here also audiences control. You set up again Ukraine because I'm located in Ukraine, but you can set up here. You can also either set up one country or all of them together. Okay, let it be US, Canada, as in previous video, US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. This is for cold audience. If you want to make it for warm audience, you will not select this, but you will go here down, click more. Okay, here we don't change anything. You can exclude custom audiences. For example, those who already DM'd you and you don't want to spend your budget to show them it once again because they are already captured in your chatbot. So you can create that audience. I will show you in the next video how, and exclude that audience so that your ads are not shown to them. Okay, here, what we use here in Advantage Audiences, audience suggestion. If you want to do retargeting for warm audience, then you select custom audiences here. My custom audiences are those who interacted, engaged with my Instagram for 365 days, those who watch my videos 25%. See, I create a custom audience for every single video that I put into ads, turn into ads, and then I create those audiences who watch 25% of my video or more. Who visited my Instagram, because people who engaged and who visited, these are different people. And here, these are my, well, lookalike is the cold audience, okay? It's not warm audience. You can create lookalike audience, if this is the custom audience, but this is the cold audience, the people that don't know you, okay? Here you can have those lookalike audiences, but they are cold. If now you want to set up ads for, let's say, okay, this one, okay, audience, then you don't need to select any other detailed targeting. You just click lookalike with those people who already engaged with your Instagram and you want Facebook to find more of these. So let's select this one. And here you don't change, or you change the age here if you want another age, the genders, if you want to target or men or women, and we don't add any detailed targeting if we select lookalike, okay? And here, placements, again, we don't want to use advantage placements. That's why we click edit. We click manual placements. And here, click to message ads. We also want not only to be in the feed or reels, but also Instagram ads on Instagram reels. Okay, we keep that. Stories and reels, Instagram stories and Instagram reels. If we use click to message, we show our ads on stories, because then we will have this button send message here on the story right now. So we keep it. Instagram feeds, profile feed. Okay, Instagram Explorer, they won't be able and explore home. Okay, we uncheck explore home. We don't want people to see it there. And Instagram explore. Okay, I also don't use it. So I keep Instagram feed, Instagram profile feed, stories and reels, and Instagram reels, ads on Instagram reels. That's it. So this is what we keep. And we click next. Next, this is our ad where we set up our ad. You name it somehow like carousel. Well, okay, let it be single. Okay, I do different ad sets in one campaign. I do one video ad, one single picture, and one carousel. Okay, so let's set up single picture. I'm going to show it how to you. Okay, you can name it somehow if you want to. Here in create ad, you can download again upload video, single image or video here, or you can select use existing post. I mean that you already have on your Instagram that I've shown you previously. Let's use this, use existing post, select post. And let's say I want not the video, you select Instagram here, don't forget about that. I want to use my picture. Okay, this is now carousel. Single picture, single picture. Okay, like this one. Okay, I want this post. Okay, I click continue. This post already has some engagement, likes, and everything that needs to be shown. And this is how you can just post it here. You can preview, see that everything looks fine in here. Okay, everything is fine in here. And you can use it. Or you can create new one, create ad. Then what you need to do, add creative, let's go down, add media, add image or video. Let's do it with image. Okay, here I also have uploaded images, but we can upload them from the computer. And this is my passport, sorry. AI pics. Let it be the creative like this. Something. That's creatives. See, I've got a lot of them. Okay, this one. Let it be this one. And then we click next. Okay, original for stories and reels. Let's make it. But you should, if you wanted the picture, you need to do two types for posts and feed and one for stories. See, this one doesn't fit for stories. That's why let's keep it original, but it must be 916. Okay, click done. I'm not gonna post it. And this is how it's gonna look when we post it. So this is gonna be our single ad for stories and reels. Here you add primary text, DM me, but it should be good copy, not only this, but let's do it for now. Autopilot to get X, Y, Z, for example, okay? But here you write your copy. Here they suggest you also different ad creatives, ad copies generated by AI. See, it's cool. Refresh variations. You can add some if you want to. Click here and they will add different types, but I don't do that. I don't want that. If you want to, it's okay. They will use different copies under your video or under your post, but I don't use that. And what we've got here, when you go down, call to action, this send Instagram message. Okay, we want them to DM us, not to comment. But if they comment this word under the post, the chatbot will still trigger as a comment reply. But in the ads, we want them to send us the message directly to DMs because there will be this send message button. And we ask them to DM us this keyword. And here, what we do, we need to change this here, start conversation. So you click edit. Here, what you will see, this is what people see when they click send message button. I usually delete all these questions Okay, in one of the questions, I leave autopilot, my keyword, autopilot. And here I say, hey there, DM me on autopilot to get XYZ. So, sorry again. Uh, I use the same CTA that they've seen on the ads. This is where when they click, see how it looks like. When they click the send message button, they may either type autopilot or just click this send button. Okay, and here you need to give the name of this template so that you won't need to do that again with the next ads. You will just you will create this template, you will be saved, and just select this type of greeting, okay, CTA, and click save. And now you will have this here. See, this is how it's gonna look. This is the response. When they click the send message button, they will get this message. Either they will type this autopilot manually or they will just click send button here. That's it. And that's it. Now everything is cool, everything is fine. You've got everything set up and just click publish. After you click publish, okay, while they approve this one ad and you want, for example, 3 ad sets with 3 ads, you click quickly duplicate this ad set. In the ad set, you in the second, you may change the audience, you may or you may keep this audience, okay? You may change anything else, and here in the ad, you just change ad creative. How you change it, you just delete this one, and then again add media. Okay, you either want to create here create ad, either it's a new ad or use existing post like I've shown you from your Instagram, and then you do the same as I've already shown you. So this is how I use one campaign for click to message ads, either it's a retargeting or for cold audience. I use 3 ad sets at once just to see which one gives me the results, better results, and one ad in one ad set. So $5 per one ad set. After this, you look after 2-3 days. You just look at the results. What you should look at how much it costs you to get that DM message. Okay, you will see the results. You will see click to message, how much you pay for the started conversation. You want to have the lowest price possible. So people can DM you for $5 or people can DM you for $1. I even had 80 cents per one DM conversation. Okay, so that was very cool. And then you will see in the chatbot who that audience is, if it's your target audience. If not, or not, you just go to their profiles. You will see them in your DMs. If those are your targeted audience, then everything is fine. Don't touch. And if you are fine with the messaging conversation cost, okay, the average cost on the market is $7 to $15 per one conversation, but we want it as low as possible. Okay, that's why you keep testing. If you have too high conversations, then you just kill this turn off this ad set and keep only those that perform better, then duplicate the ad set, okay, and change the I don't know, audiences, you change the creatives, you change the copy, and then start it again. Don't make the changes in the existing running ad sets, okay, because then you will not see the data. You will need to duplicate here, go here, quickly duplicate, and only then you need to change in the ad set your audience targeted or something, and you need to change the ad and start running it again. This is how you test, this is how you watch how it works. If you have, for example, $15 a day to run this one campaign, then you need 3 ads. and just give a couple, 2-3 days for each to run and see what is the price for messages, messaging conversations that you get. Those that give you the highest price, you just turn off, duplicate, then change what you want to change and start running you once with $5 per each, or those that give you cool results, lower price for conversations, and you see that those audience are your targeted audience, then you will just keep them running, or adding even budget to them, more budget. So this is how you test and optimize. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create custom audiences.